Start.
Hello, this is a special day for us. In QUA, we have just inaugurated our new facility. The big facility is 4 times bigger than our current facility. And with this, we remain committed to our technology, innovation and sustenance. This bigger facility will give us the liberty to, be committed to the delivery excellence. This new facility, we have added a few new features like process automation. There are sensing systems incorporated in the process, critical processes. And also, we are having world-class compliances like NSF, C, UL. We are already ISO 9001 in our current facility, which will be extended for this facility. And we are going for ISO 14001. Our commitment towards environment remains intact, and we have set up a complete ZLD system where we will recycle the water into the process again. We have a few new products coming up in next couple of years. So our range of products in the membrane segment and the electrochemical segment are going to increase. This year we have launched QConnect, Giga and RF, and in all probability next year we will have couple of more products which are already in the pipeline, and we are going to take up those products for scaling up activities in this new facility. That is the advantage we have over our current facility. Our current one will also continue to operate. So with both these facilities, we will have a much larger capacity and to cater to the global market, which is growing by leaps and bounds.